Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In my last video, I mentioned I took a trip to Guatemala and had some images to share. So in this video, I'm going to share images from Antigua, Acatenango, and Lake Atitlan. So I ended up going to Guatemala with my girlfriend and we flew into Guatemala City, stayed in Antigua first, which is a beautiful city with cobblestone streets and lots of just beautiful architecture and color. And here are some of the images from Antigua. Our next stop was a guided volcano hike going up Acatenango to view an active volcano called Fuego. Fuego erupts every 20 minutes or so, and it was a pretty tough hike getting to the top. We stayed overnight at a base camp, woke up at around 3:30 in the morning, and then finally hiked the summit at around 4:30, I believe. It was about an hour hike to the summit for sunrise photos. So essentially we're hiking Acatenango to view Fuego across the way. After this hike, we ended up taking an Uber to a beautiful lake called Lake Atitlan. This is a lake surrounded by beautiful cities, and we had an Airbnb right on the lake that kind of overlooked the lake as well as the landscape, which is two like volcanoes in the background. One of the cool things about this lake is their commuting system is essentially a bunch of public boats. You can hire a private boat for a fee that's a good bit more, but that's essentially how you get around to the different cities. There's not like an easily walkable path between all of the cities. So you hop on a boat from your deck, from a public or private deck, and then you just kind of bounce around through the city. So it's an awesome experience. And here's some photos at Lake Atitlan. One thing to note is I did go in the beginning of the rainy season, which basically meant I had good weather in the morning, but around 3 o'clock it started getting pretty cloudy. It actually didn't rain a ton. It rained maybe light rain once during the day. It rained once a little harder at night, but the clouds were the main thing. So for good light, I had to wake up pretty early in the morning. Overall, this was a beautiful place to go for photography. I feel like a lot of people overlook going to Central America on vacation, but you can find some of the most beautiful landscapes, photography, architecture, food, color, etc. And so I can't really recommend it enough. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give a like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, please drop them below. And until next time, thanks for watching.